Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make mixed media ornaments from odds and ends that you can probably find just laying around your house, or you might know someone else that has them laying around. I have never gone into Christmas mode before Thanksgiving before in my entire life, but this year has not been buckets of fun. I don't think it has been for anyone, so bring on the holiday cheer. I'm selling these paintbrush ornaments in my eBay shop for 20 bucks along with some cool mixed media necklaces for 25 if you are looking for holiday gifts, hint hint. I also wanted to mention my Patreon website. If you join my creative community, you get 25% off on all art, prints, handmade stuff, as well as some other fun benefits, so go ahead and check that out. Alright, mini commercial over. Now let's get creating. To make these ornaments, I have a worn out cheap dollar store chip brush, some beads, some old jewelry pieces, Weldbond glue, which is great for wood and metal, some metallic and sparkle paints, and tools to clip off any pin backs or clips on the back of the jewelry pieces so they can lay flat. First, I'm going to dry brush some metallic paint on the handle with a flat brush. I want a streaky, weathered sort of look, so I'm only putting a little bit of paint on the brush at a time and kind of letting it catch in the roughness of the handle. Once the paint on the handle is dry, I'm going to glue my main pieces on, arranging them in a way that fills the space. Beads and flatback gems are excellent for filling in any gaps, and tweezers definitely come in handy as well for dipping the pieces in glue and placing the gems, or you can also put the glue directly on the handle. It dries clear, so don't worry about if you have any white goo kind of squashing out from places. Once it dries, you won't even notice. Next, I'm brushing some metallic paint on the bristles. This is the only time you'd want to let paint dry on your brush bristles. It actually feels very wrong for me to be doing this right now as a painter. I am obsessive about keeping my brushes clean. I have two more to show you now, one that's Victorian inspired and one that makes use of all that gaudy 90s Christmas jewelry you may have lying around in the bottom of your drawers somewhere. So let's make it happen. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you're inspired to maybe try it at home. You can either buy dollar store brushes new, or I just used ones I completely destroyed from doing some home renovation projects, so either way works. And remember, if you don't want to make one yourself and just want to buy one, I do have these for sale. I've been having a lot of fun making these. I'm going to be adding more to my shop soon. So thank you again. If you enjoyed, please subscribe. I'm going to be posting a lot more art demos, crafts, all kinds of fun stuff coming up in the future. Thank you, and go make something amazing.